talk about my research. Today we're going to be talking about crystals. Let me pull up a chair. As you guys know, what I do is I synthesize chelators, which are organic molecules that the goal is to be able to complex some radioactive metal. But before I just start exposing myself to radioactivity, we always perform cold studies first. We investigate the complexation behavior of our chelator with the stable version, so the non-radioactive version of the metal that I'm going to pursue later on. So now, how I grow these crystals is initially I dissolve my chelator and the metal in a solvent that they're both soluble in, and this is usually at a pretty dilute concentration. You mix them together, and then hopefully nothing precipitates out of solution. You want everything in solution to begin with. But then you place this little vial in sand, for example, or in the fume hood. And over time, as the solvent evaporates, a certain concentration will be reached where that complex hopefully is insoluble, so that it would precipitate out of solution and you get a solid. But what exactly is this solid? This is the cool part. So at the particle level, you have atoms. And now when atoms want to form a solid, they need to, get close together. They need to pack. And this packing is highly organized, and it's in an arrangement that will eventually reflect the shape that it grows into. And we call this the atomic arrangement. So if you look at these, they kind of look like little prisms. And that all has to do with the way they initially packed, so the way their atoms were arranged. Pretty cool.